मडगावच्या होली स्पिरिट हायस्कुलान साश्टी तालुका अंडर 17 सुब्रतो मुखर्जी फुटबॉल सर्त जिखली। फायनलीत तांणी वेर्णाच्या फादर आग्नेल मल्टीपर्पज हायस्कुलाक 3-0 धाडायले। होली स्पिरिट हायस्कूल आता जिल्लो पावण्यार खेळटले।
आमचो this Subrata Mukherjee Cup winners at this is taluka level, then there will be district and then will be state, and the winners of the state level will go to play at Delhi in national levels, winning school at state level, and that will be most probably in the last week of next month, August, and nationals will be in the first week of September or like that. So, and I think our team should perform well. What I have seen today, Holy Spirit was playing good game. It is little bit improvement is required. I have informed the coach, give them hard practice and train them. They may have the more chances to win at state level and go for nationals at Delhi.
ह्या बुलेटिन हांगा चोपता ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।